abutan ng mic.
Oy! Oy! Palakpak na po. Go baby! Come on. This is hello, Mike Scott. Wala, di ba lang sila mag-mic test talaga? Ay, mahina. Oh my God. Yun.
Mic check, mic check, mic check. This is just a mic check. Mic check, that's mic. This is just a sound check. Mic test, this is a mic test. Test mic check. This is just a sound check. The current inside. DSPC 928. It's Joe Garcia. It's Ian Borja. It's Mary Janina. And this is the sound check. Are you ready, DSPC 928? Mic check, mic check, mic check. This is just a mic check. Mic check.
Oy,
Test
ka nga.
mic. This is just a sound check. Mic test. This is just a mic test.
Tumbong pala.
DSPC 928.
Ay, yeah.
This person advises a transparent rules. This is Wayne de la Cruz. Immediately refresh environment service. It's time to give you the hottest and exclusive news from the Philippines and around the world. Welcome to Maxim. Today's Friday, February 15, 2024. And this is DSPC 928. The current inside. Morning headlines.
Ganda ng boses na Tay. Usap! Si Janina!
Ebola side for children.
Okay lang. Mabilis na lang. Mabilis.
Against the order of Chacha, the educational institution. And this is DSPC 928, the current insight. For the international news, Ebola side for children. Jonathan Sinier, take it away.
The program for every student is funding after 1 meeting a president of Indonesia. The approximately first program for around 83 million children is ranging 100 trillion to 120 trillion rupiah. That would underline the Indonesia's track record of fiscal discipline. From the station that gives the truth, Jonah Garcia, reporting. Back to you, PNP.
Thank you, Jonathan Sinier.
For the national news, Defense Black Chiba to the Defense Lantar.
Oh, yung galing niya.
Pete de la Cruz, take it away.
The Department of Education and
Take it away. Balik na dyan. Uy,
and starting the school year 2024-2025 this July and ending in May 2024. The FED Undersecretary spokesperson Michael Owa stated that the spot is coming 2026 when the study seventh school year, that it will take 3 school years to transition back to pre-pandemic times. This is Wayne de la Cruz reports. Back to you, Ian. Great insight for the academic reminders.
Hindi kamay ni ano ma'am, Janina.
Not only that, we took this
Ako kasi yung
Lang.
Oh, Mom, that's amazing!
Worth it all.
Time check, so it's morning afternoon.
And you're still tuning to
TSBC 928, the current insight from the national news. Gender equality against the ownership of Chacha of the educational institution. Villa Gutierrez, give us the details.
Chairperson Patricia Licuanan, former Commissioner of
Gutierrez.
Education,
Ay,
was
magaling,
guest
magaling,
of the
magaling.
1987 Constitution, enlightening
Gutierrez,
ownership of the higher education institution. Licuanan stated that partnership would and should be developed further without charter change. And this is Pia Gutierrez reporting. Back to you, Pia. For the last national news, President Marcos checked the construction of Clark Airport Access Road. Teresa Davao gave us the details.
The government is committed to building world-class infrastructure. President Ferdinand Bongbong Marcos Jr. sees on Wednesday as he inspected the airport Newport City Address Road in Pampanga. Marcos crossed the 900-meter Scorpio Bridge, which is still barbed wire. The bridge has dedicated bike lanes, pedestrian lanes, and rear bikes. And this is Teresa Davao bringing you the most precious news. Back to you, Ian.
Once again,